is a very difficult combination. You've got to keep the speed in the first jump or a triple on the second jump and a little 2-foot on the landing. And look at the coach's reaction. He's just, okay, snap, 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 snap. I feel like I'm in a coffee house or something.
One mistake in the jumps at Salchow, which she popped, but it's not just the quality of her jumps in this performance, it's also the quality of the spins and the steps. She's going to get poised all over the place.
And if she loses anything on that performance, every now and then she just lightly taps her second foot down on some landings, and that could cost her a little bit. So the door isn't shut yet.
The door isn't shut. She also doesn't have quite the speed or finesse that Alyssa has.